Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
Imagine a machine that has the performance of a tank and a drone. Meet the X-Tankcopter, the world's first flying tank. On the ground, goes through narrow gaps, drive in rough terrain, drift and more.
Hi, my name is Vitek and this is the X-Tankcopter. After 2 years of development, I can finally say the drone is ready to bring you a lot of fun. My background is in product design and robotics. Since the drones being only able to fly, my ultimate goal was to design the drone that can operate in different environments.
In the air, the drone is an agile flyer. The onboard camera will capture your mission in HD quality. Take full control of the drone with the included smartphone app. Immerse yourself in the experience with the included high-quality VR goggles. The drone features Caterpillar tracks, 3.6-inch propellers, HD camera, micro SD card, front and back lights, can fit various battery sizes, pivoting crash-resistant arms. It also comes with a 2.4 GHz remote controller. Don't worry, we've got your back here. The drone's arms are designed to survive the worst crashes. The X-Tankcopter is production ready, but we need your help in order to meet the factory minimum order quantity and make it available to everyone at affordable price.
Thank you for your time and support.
Phoenox.
Drones are now spreading all over the world, but most of them are still passive. You have to control them all the time using controllers or host machines. Our original Phoenox is a compact, interactive, and intelligent drone, and at the same time, it's a programmable platform. It has 2 cameras and a microphone to recognize you. You don't need to use controllers anymore from takeoff to landing. You can enjoy the direct and natural interaction with Phoenox like a living creature.
Phoenox.
Phoenix has our original and high-power hardware system. The system is based on Linux OS, and you can reprogram it just like your personal computers. The additional benefit is that you need no controllers or host machine to fly Phoenix. All the processing is executed within the onboard computer in real time. We uniquely developed the Intelligent Self-Control System, or ISCS, for Phoenix. Phoenix estimates its self-position by processing the visual information of its environment. There is no need to prepare external cameras or special markers. Anything in the space can be landmarked for the robot. These unique technical resources are built in. You don't need to struggle to fly it stably. Phoenix already knows how to fly.
With these technologies, it still remains quite small, just to fit in your hand. You can use your hand as a heliport for Phoenix. Owing to the smallness, you don't need a wide space of flight. You can enjoy the flight within ordinary indoor space. With our original library, you can easily make your own program. Save the code in microSD card and insert in Phoenix. Now you can fly your apps in the air. Let me introduce some examples. Using OpenCV library to detect hands, you can interact with Phoenix like walking a dog in the air. Phoenix can walk onto a hand of another person. You can also implement a dynamic action and enjoy playing catch in flight. You can fly Phoenix to the direction by swinging your hand. It's just like a migratory bird flying from your hand to another hand. With blinking LEDs, Phoenix flies like a firefly and produces illumination in the air. When you enjoy these applications, you only have to use the ISCS to fly it stably. The library, the tutorial, and the sample codes are already available on the website. You can bring your creative ideas into reality with Phoenix.